How to fix VPN not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on iPhone Storage. Below this, it lists all installed apps, showing their usage size. Scroll through this list to locate the app VPNify and tap on it. Now, tap on Offload app. The Offload app button is replaced with a Reinstall app button. Again, tap on Reinstall app to reinstall the app. Alternatively, go back to the General menu, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, tap on Reset as shown. From the menu that appears, select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm this action. A confirmation pop-up will then appear. Tap on Reset Network Settings again to finalize the action. Following these steps, you can easily fix no internet connection on an iPhone.